to our channel!
Welcome back, guys. This is Fandom NY. These are the materials we use for this project. We have 5-inch white round. That's a latex balloon, and we also have 5 inches round Caribbean blue. We have 11 inches chrome, and our foil balloon right here, number foil balloon, is 14 inches. We will need to use our pump and our hand pump and our sizer right here, balloon sizer. Alright guys, we're ready to inflate our balloon. So we start off with our 11 inches gold. We will inflate this to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter. So this is 8 right here. So we'll connect it like that. There you go, guys. And after that, we will put this on the top. But before I do that, I'm gonna use our water weight or balloon weight. This is a balloon 11 inches filled with water. So this is gonna be one of our clients' balloon birthday bouquet. So I put like water inside so they won't get wet. So anyway, put this on here, connect it in one of your balloon. So this will be on the very bottom. So now you want to grab one of your balloon here, the other end, and then connect it to one of the other balloon. So there is your base. Bottom, as I said, the balloon weight. So that would be our base. Alright guys, so we will add this flower right here. I made it separately, and if you want to know how I made this, we have a separate tutorial video for this. And this is using a smaller balloon this time. This is 5 inches, and I use like 160Q instead of 260Q on the inside. And in the center right here, I use 5 inches white balloon. We will add glue. This is white glue, or you can use Elmer's glue, and we'll put glitters on here. Okay. We're ready to attach this, and we will use our low temperature glue gun. Set it to low. So alright guys, so we're ready to attach our number 3 here. So again, I'm gonna use glue gun, low temperature. So now attach your flower right here. One of your petal attach That will help support your number 3 and the flower. And here as well. Now we'll try to hide this so it's not gonna show. So what I'm gonna do is just fold this like that, and then you can just use tape right there. So when it goes here, it's not showing that it's sticking out. Okay. So again, I'm gonna use glue gun right here. Inches. Pump this a little. One pump. Punch it here. Twist. Now the tail. Just wrap it around. Now it will stay. Same thing on the other side. Hands and twist like that, and then now there's your quad. So now guys, this is 11 inches balloon, so we will make this into a quad. So one balloon turns into a quad. So I'm gonna show you pump this. I pumped it bigger so it'll stretch out the materials of your balloon, and then size it down like that. So now I use the tie and knot right here. So it's nice and soft. So pinch it on here. Make it like about the same size, and then the knot right here. So it's still nice and soft. You pinched it here again. Pinch and twist. There it goes. It's now 3. Pinch it one and twist. Now this is quad. Alright, so quad. So now this is your 11 inches. One balloon turns into quad. This is 5 inches. 2 balloon, 5 inches turn into quad. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this on the back to support our flower right here. So once again, I will use our balloon. So now it's time to add our clusters of balloon here. So the same thing, we'll use our low temperature glue gun. Alright guys, so now we're ready to attach our flower balloon. This is made of 260Q, and if you want to know how I made this one, we will put the link on our description below. And for this time, I'm gonna use balloon glue dots on this one to attach, because if you use the even the low temperature, there's a possibility that it will pop because it's so tight. We'll add this one as well. It's a balloon curl. We have a separate tutorial for this one, and please check it out. We will put the link on the description. Just like that. And there you go guys, it's finally done. This is our birthday balloon bouquet. And thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, you probably enjoyed the video. Please smash the like button and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video, and thank you all for watching.